Hey, we're in he's in Oklahoma, and he's gonna knock down a beehive, and we're gonna run like hell.
Yeah.
Alright, so get ready. You know that hill right there? That's the thing we're gonna knock down.
Go.
Oh shit, I don't wanna go down. I don't wanna get close to it.
Throw him like a rock or something.
Watch. Oh snap, there's a... Fuck. Yeah.
Zoom it in first, like...
How do you zoom it in? Damn, there's a bunch, man. Is this hurt?
Oh, we can't zoom it in no more. Alright.
Those bitches are gonna knock some bees down.
But first we gotta give them an account. We gotta show them that they're there.
Okay, watch. Give me that. I'll see what. Oh shit! Damn! Hey, wait! Nah, you guys just believe it. There's some bees there. Knock it down. No one will get mad.
Alright. Let me go in. Alright, I'm gonna go. Hey, we made a bet. I'm gonna knock it down, you're gonna throw it back down.
What?
I'm gonna knock it down, you're gonna put it back up.
I know. You go. Oh shit!
Heavy.
I'll shake it. I got it. I'm here.
I got it. Go record.
I'm shaking.
I'm gonna knock it down. Record.
You're gonna pick it back up. Oh no! Guys, look!
Over here. Come on. I got it.
Ruben! Primero que tú tienes que tirar bien.
You can put the shit back in.
No, I'm not. You made it. We made a bet. It's all in the video. Hey, I'm out too. This is your house. Hold on. I gotta sure there's no bees. Hey, man, you see that?
God. Oh shit, that's big.
Dude. Look where they at. Oh. Go closer and look at and make the camera see. Don't knock it down. Don't push on any button.
I can't. I'm not so scared to.
Yeah, hold it like that. Show them their house. All right, we're still gonna be recording because this guy has to lift it back up, and if he gets stung.
Ay, chinga, tengo miedo. If you guys are watching this, don't do this.
Well, they could just.
It's dangerous.
Oh, somebody has to get that ball.
Ay, ya, bien listo.
Me too.
Can you zoom in?
No. We just.
Wait, where's the bat? Give me it. Record me.
Alright, go. Alright. Oh, snap, just flew up here.